government has released data on religious communities today. To discuss this, we have Avantika. Avantika, what are the key findings of the data?
The key finding is that all religious communities except Muslims have reduced in between 2001, when the last religion census was done, and 2011, from which this data is. All religious communities decreased in number except Muslims. The Muslim population currently is 14.2% of the total population of India, and they increased by 24.6% in the last 10 years. Between 2001 and 2011, they increased by 24.6%. And for the first time ever, the population of Hindus is below 80%. It stands at 79.8%. These roughly are the key takeaways.
Okay. Avantika, this data was collected, I think, in 2011,
Yeah.
the census
Yeah.
data. It's been 4 years now. Why has there been a delay?
Political compulsions. The UPA government was never comfortable with releasing a data that showed that the majority population is first time below that. It's just a notional benchmark, 80%, but the fact that it was below was always thought to be politically inconvenient for the UPA government. So between 2011 and 2014, when they were finally voted out of power, there were many instances when, there was some thought that maybe we should release it, but it never came to this, because at every point UPA thought that this is data that it couldn't afford to bring to the public for fears of losing support among Hindus.
Right.
So
now that we see an election coming up in Bihar in the next few months, what is the kind of importance this data holds, and what kind of impact will it have?
very important, because the very timing of its release, 2 months before Bihar elections, there are other elections coming up next year, West Bengal. So the very timing, where in states where the Muslim population, the Muslim vote is so crucial, the very timing means that now that this data is official, all sides in every state will use this to the hilt, twist it, turn it, do whatever with the data to derive conclusions that help them politically. So it is just the official release of the data just opens the floodgates for its political use, misuse, whatever you may call it. That was the very idea of the release.
So there you have Avantika explaining to us how it will impact the elections in Bihar due in the next few months. Thank you for watching.